As a computer user, do you know when it comes to the environment of computing, in terms of inputting data into the computer system, we base on the mouse and the keyboard. When the mouse is used for clicking, the keyboard is used for typing. And you know, this keyboard provides a lot of characters to us that is put together to give us a well-defined created document and characters. And today we are going to focus on the computer keyboard, what this computer keyboard can provide to us. These two input devices, which are the mouse and also the keyboard, they have their efficiency and also effectiveness, and that is their workflow that is being provided to the computer system based on the computer user preferences. Now today I want us to focus on the computer keyboard, and then specifically we are going to talk about keyboard symbols and special characters. Now this sounds a bit weird to you, or it sounds good to you, or do you think as a user, do we have a keyboard symbol and also do we have special characters? If so, this video is going to break it down and let us know what keyboard symbols are and also what special characters are. As the name goes, keyboard symbols, I have a video that talks about keyboard symbols, which in details explains how to get your normal keyboard symbols and also advanced keyboard symbols using special characters or special purpose keys on the computer keyboard. But in this video we are going to focus on keyboard symbols and special characters. And at the end of the video I also give you a special notice why you should use keyboard symbols and why you should use special characters in your daily activities. We are going to talk about keyboard symbols and also special characters. Now, what are keyboard symbols? These are symbols that are directly typed using keyboard keys such as punctuation marks, mathematical operators, and other traditional symbols. These do not require any advanced combination of keys. Let me have a recap again. These do not require any advanced combination of keys. It means that when it comes to daily usage of computer keyboard, there are some symbols you can quickly get them. You don't have to stress yourself to advance yourself in getting these symbols. Rather, you just have to use some two keys or a single key to get your symbol and you are good to go. Now let's focus on special characters. These are characters that are not found on the standard keyboard layout, such as accented characters, advanced currency symbols, advanced mathematical symbols, and other ornamental characters. These special characters are not found on the standard keyboard. Even if you want to forcefully get these characters on the keyboard, that is where you bounce back to this area. That is where you're going to have advanced combination of keys before you can get these special characters. Now, when they talk about special characters, they require advanced combination of keyboard keys or third-party software such as Microsoft Word and character map. So these are the theoretical differences between keyboard symbols and special characters. When do you have to use this particular keyboard symbols and also this particular special characters? This is where my special notice comes to you. But before then, I said I have a video that talks about keyboard symbols, and I'm going to link that video in the description below. Check this out after watching this current video. The special note for this particular two variables, which are the keyboard symbols and the special characters, are keyboard symbols are commonly used in everyday typing, while special characters are often used in specific contexts such as language support, mathematical notations, and typography. So it means that when you compare these two variables, keyboard symbols are always part of computer users. We normally use it especially when we want to type, when we want to create documents. This is when we use the simple keyboard symbols such as the comma, the full stop, the question mark, the exclamation marks, percentage symbols, the hashtags. We have a lot of keyboard symbols, and these are explained in the video that I have posted in the description below. Now when it comes to special characters, they are a bit scarce. We don't normally use them, but we use them when we are dealing with specific context. That is where we have to use them in typography effect. We want to use them in mathematical notations, and also when we want to use them in language support, especially when it comes to the mathematical notations. When as a teacher or a lecturer, when you're typing your mathematical questions, this is when we go in for these special characters. Let me have a bit of practical description to you on how to get keyboard symbols and also how to get special characters. I have this Word document open, and let me move to the end of this document. Now if I want a simple keyboard symbols, when I get to my keyboard, I have this particular symbol which is comma, and this was quickly typed on the keyboard because I didn't use any advanced combination. We also have the full stop, we have this bracket symbol, we have this semicolon, the inverted comma, we have this forward slash, question mark, we have the backslash. All these are keyboard symbols. You don't need any advanced combination. You just have to type them directly on the keyboard, or you just have to use combination of the shift key to get this particular symbols. Now when it comes to special characters in Microsoft Word, how do we get these special characters? We move to the insert tab, and then we have symbols, and then we have this symbols option here. When you click, this is going to provide you this special characters, but when you click on more symbols, you get this window, and this is where we have symbols and we have special characters. There are some special characters here. When you click, you get its output, and when you click on symbols, we also have the special characters. All these characters are not known on the keyboard interface. That is the standard keyboard layout. There is no way you are going to see this symbol on the keyboard. You just have to get to this window and input this special character into your Word document. So as I said, this particular symbol or character is not on the standard keyboard. Even if you want to get this, you have to use combination of different keys, which I think will be a bit difficult for you to record them, because you need to have those advanced combination always in your head. This application gives you the room to just move to your insert tab, get to the insert ribbon, click on symbols, more symbols, and then you have to input your special character that you need. You just have to select a font that you want, and you are going to have different kinds of special characters, and when you click, you input that into your Word document. So as you can see, these are all special characters. We also said that we can get these special characters from a character map application, and that is being installed freely for you on your Windows. Just move to your start button and search for character map. You are going to have the best match. Click, and this window is going to open beautifully to you, and we have a lot of special characters here. The only thing that you have to do is to select a font of your choice, and you're going to have 8 characters displayed to you. And then any character you want to use, you just select and click on select, and that is going to, you are going to have it in this particular area. Click copy, and when you get here, I can paste this particular character in this Word document. You can also paste it into any application that is open on your desktop or your Windows interface. The only thing is you have to get access to the character map, select the character, and input that into your application. So these are the differences between keyboard symbols and special characters in the computing environment.